Wow! Look at that giant honeydew melon. It's the biggest I've ever seen. I want it.
Look at us. We're going on an adventure. It's so much fun.
I'm here. Look what I brought. A huge melon just for us. It's so healthy. I'm making a delicious treat. Almost done. Oh my goodness, this melon is the best ever. I know, Lulu. It's so good, right? I love it. Thumbs up.
Wow. Whoa. That's huge.
La la la. Oh, whoops. La la la.
Surprise.
And then I fell right into the mud. Splish splash.
Oh my goodness. Look at these. They're glowing. I need them.
Payment accepted. Enjoy your purchase. I got it. Thanks.
La la la, what a beautiful day. Whee!
Come on, Lulu, faster. Look at us go. We're dinosaurs.
Here's the card.
Great, thank you. Let's get you set up with your new bike.